Welcome in, ladies and gents. Welcome back to another video on the channel. This time we're going to be looking at giving your chat or your mods, whoever you decide to give control to your camera movements. We have done a previous video on camera movements, but this one just takes it a little bit step further and gives interaction to your chat. So let's get into it. So after watching all the previous video about setting up your camera locations with, so that'll be linked up about here, with the move transition plugin, we're going to go into setting up so your viewers or your mods, whoever you want to set up, can set these up and do them for you, basically. So right, we're going to go into here. So I'm just going to show you a little example. So what we're going to do, we say for example top right, that's going to move my camera top right. That's where it's quite good. So what we're going to use, and I've used this for a little while, there are other options out there. So there's things like streamerbot, I think there's mix it up bot can do it. Basically anything that can trigger a filter when you type in a command can do this. So we are going to bring up Lioranboard. I'm going to show you my mod controls section. So in here, all we're doing, so we're just going to set up the bottom right one. Okay. So we're going to edit a command. I've already got it obviously in, but all we need is a filter change visibility, the source name that you've got it on. So mine's on my nested camera scene. The filter you've set up, which is cam bottom right, and then it's just a toggle. So, and then you just press done, and it's all done. So that's set up, but there's no way we haven't set it up to anybody to trigger it. So we need to go back in, we need to right click, and we need to edit Twitch triggers. So you can set this up for all these different commands when it happens to do it. But I have it as a chat command, exclamation mark cam BR, and it's set for me and for my mods. You can set it up for VIPs to do it. You can set it up for subs. You can set it up for first, so your founders, so on and so forth. What I then do is press done and done and done, because obviously we have on our nested camera scene, we have all our filters which we set up in the previous video. There, that's where they all are, just so we know. But if you're not sure, just go watch the previous video, and I'll put the card at the top, or it'll be at the end of the video. The video will be in the description. Anyway, we're watching this one. So once that's all done, and it's as simple as that, all we are going to do is put exclamation mark cam bottom right, and cam moves bottom right. And obviously you can set them all up for that. One thing you can do, say with streamerbot, and I know this is quite a good handy way, is you can set up different groups of people. You can add people in to do it, so they don't have to be a sub, they don't have to be a VIP. You can actually add them into a group that can do this as well, which is perfect. Absolutely perfect. But like I said, there's another one I have for that. So I have one that's the chat can do zoom, and it zooms the camera in, and then it'll go back. That's a different one altogether. But yeah, just try it, play around. As always, the best thing to do, as much as I'll show you these tips and these tricks that we've got, is to just have a go, play around, talk in Discords that are in. So there's people like Andy Lippy's Discord, there's a Stream Up Discord. I know that's another one of Andy's, but there's streamerbot, there's Lioranboard, there's loads of places which you can learn and see different techniques of what you can do and go that little bit advanced. This is quite a basic way, but it's quite a good thing to have for your chat, to be in control of your stream and give them more interaction. So yeah, that's all it is for now, and we'll make sure you do like and subscribe, because we're on that road to 200 at the moment. When this video comes out, we might be there, we might not be, but make sure we subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.